it's all about background. I told you that at the beginning of the video. Welcome loves to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be talking about lipsticks, and I know that I have couple of videos devoted to this topic, but it's a little bit different, I promise. We are going to be talking about some lipsticks that are not really looking flattering and good. So what do we do with that? For example, Taylor Swift, she wears red lipstick amazingly good, but I am not really good with red lipsticks, with anything red, because it's just like it's given a little bit different vibes, and my complexion doesn't really look flattering with red lipsticks. So instead of red, I go to a little bit different colors that are still looking much better with my skin tone. First of all, if we're talking about red lipstick, it's better to have something a little bit more like, I have really bold, colorful makeup look right now, and it's probably not the best option to wear this lipstick with this kind of makeup look, but at the same time, sometimes someone can actually create something really beautiful with the red and orange at the same time. In case you want to implement something red or anything like red, you have to think of a background that can tone down the redness from your lipstick. I have really cool lipstick. This one is from NYX, and the color is 11. It's hot red. I'm gonna add a little bit of this red in the center of the lip. So look at that. It's just not giving anything pretty to my complexion, so let me show you how I use it. I'm gonna add a little bit of the color. You can start with lining your lips first, or you can do as I do, add a little bit of shade and then outline your lips. And I have like dark lipstick, lip pencil, dark color lip pencil, and I'm getting this all over my lips. If you feel like it's a little bit red, or less red than you expect this to be, then you can always go back to the same lipstick, or you can always go back to the same lip pencil. And another great way to like diffuse this color, you can top it with a lip gloss. Depends on like your preferences, guys. I'm gonna grab my lip gloss. This one is pink, and this is the final result, guys. This is the kind of like toned down option. I would have used a little bit like different eye makeup look, but overall I love the final result. It's not, you know, beaming through. It's not giving too much red. You can use other colors like, I don't know, orange or hot orange, or maybe something different as well. So I am gonna show you one more option that you can use. Okay, I have a little bit different color that I really love. I'm obsessed with this shade, and it's a little bit better with my skin tone and with my complexion, with my hair color, with my eyes. It's just looking much better. So it's a little bit different shade. It's just like not red, but it's still bright. And I wore this color for like one of my previous videos, and I really love the outcome and the final result. Even with like bold eyes, it's looking really pretty. I guess maybe not with orange, but still it's looking really good. I'm gonna do this with a little bit different technique. I can top that lipstick with this lip pencil, or I'm gonna do a little bit different option. I'm gonna apply Makeup Revolution lipstick. I'm gonna outline, of course, this weird looking lipstick, and then I want to let it dry completely before I do anything. It's okay if it's not perfect. I mean, this is the main reason why I don't really like this lipstick, because it's just, you can see my skin right through this lipstick. Use it on top. So this is a little bit different option where you have super dark lipstick with extra bright lipstick, and then you're just gonna pair them together and create the color that is not really dark for you, but it's not really bright, and it's just given the cherryness from the lipstick and the darkness as a background. I did the same thing with like super dark lipstick from Maybelline. The color is Huntress 90. I use this super ink color. It's like extra dark, and then let me show you this on the back of the hand. It's like extra dark. Of course, not every single person can wear it this way. That is the main reason why you can actually top it with a lip gloss or some different lipstick. And on top of that color, I'm gonna use this lip gloss, and you can see that it's just not given the same shade. It's a little bit less pigmented. It's just not pigmented. The lipstick is not as pigmented as it used to be, but this lip gloss is not extra bright. So it's kind of like toning down each, so it's kind of like neutralizing each of them. Okay guys, and that's the final thing. I am going to be talking about this lip creams from Eve line or Aveline. I'm not really sure. I am obsessed with these lipsticks. They're super good. First of all, they're not expensive, not at all. And I would say that I really love the color range. They have lots of the shades. Most of them are nude. And I purchased this one a couple of weeks ago, and the color is Beige Sensation. I wore this color for my anniversary. It's gonna look really pretty with this shimmery makeup look. That is the main reason I'm gonna show you how it glides on, and I really love that it's matte. It's not drying your lips. It's super comfortable on the lips. I can't say how long it's gonna last, like if you eat or drink, don't know, but it's still not gonna wipe off immediately. And look at that. Not drying your lips, not at all. If you have access to this product, just go and grab it. I'd say that I can compare this formula with probably like NYX formula like that. It's really comfortable. If you have this lipstick from NYX, then you know that the formula is really comfortable. This one is super nude, it's super pretty. In case you don't like it or you want to add some extra kick to it, let me show you how we can do that with red lipstick. It's all about background. I told you that at the beginning of the video. We're gonna grab a tiniest bit and use 2 dots in the center of the lip. If you want to outline your lips with a little bit like brighter lip contour, you're good to go. You can always do that. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I try to be specific, and I try to show you how you can work with colors that are not looking flattering and good for your complexion, or maybe some other reasons you just don't really like the color, how you can implement this in some really beautiful shades that you love and use daily, so you don't really have to get rid of the product. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any sort of comments, then please let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna see you in my next videos, guys. Bye bye.